Maintenance. Proper design can greatly reduce the rate of deterioration, but all materials need some kind of ongoing care. Maintenance is vital in preventing many issues and prolonging wood's service life. This is usually accomplished by applying surface finishes that can function as a protective measure, aesthetical measure, or both. There is also the option of leaving the wood untreated to achieve a gray or silver effect. But in this case, the user should be aware that not only will the wood weather and dry faster, but it will do so more unevenly. Broadly speaking, there are two types of coatings: film-forming coatings and paints, and penetrating oils and stains. As the name suggests, film-forming coatings create a durable film on the wood surface that acts as a physical barrier to the elements and insects. These include clear and semi-transparent coatings like varnishes, and opaque coatings like paint. Pigmented products offer better protection from ultraviolet radiation since they block sun rays before they reach the wood, making them more resistant to weathering. However, these products cover the wood's desirable aesthetic properties, such as grain and texture. In contrast, clear coatings bring the authentic wooden surface to life, but allow UV rays to penetrate and absorb into the wood. While film-forming coatings are marketed as long-lasting, they do tend to crack and flake if not maintained regularly. Cracks and flakes in the coating or paint allow water to enter and become trapped between the wood and coating, creating a perfect environment for decay. Once cracks, peeling, and blisters start to appear, the coating needs to be removed completely from the wood before recoating, creating a lot of work for the owner. For this reason, film-forming coatings are not recommended for highly exposed areas. Oils and stains, on the other hand, work differently than other coatings. They penetrate the wood and preserve it by soaking into its fibers. Since these allow the wood to move, there are no cracks, peels, or flakes, but oils and stains will wear away through time and become patchy. These types of treated surfaces can be recoated directly without scraping or sanding, typically every 2 to 4 years. So how frequently should exterior wood be maintained? A coating's efficacy strongly depends on type and climate, and different parts of the same building may experience varying amounts of sun, wind, and rain, so there is no one-size-fits-all time frame. In general, recoating should be done when the treatment is beginning to show signs of failure. Every year, owners should inspect for cracks, flakes, and blisters in the coating, faded colors, the condition of connectors, and possible signs of water, such as moss or algae. Even though mildew is not harmful, it indicates conditions that are favorable for decay. Since coatings can sometimes mask decay, one should also probe the wood with a knife or screwdriver to see if the wood can be penetrated easily. If so, fungal decay or even termites may be present. Once the wood is damaged by decay or termites, it is not salvageable and should be replaced as soon as possible to keep the rot or insects from spreading. Let's see what happens to a wooden structure during its service life with and without proper maintenance. Without any maintenance or replacement, the wood will deteriorate and reach not only the functionality, but also the safety limit much sooner. By fixing and replacing damaged elements that no longer serve their function, we can prolong the structure's service life. But with regular maintenance, we preserve the building's structural integrity and keep it looking good for most of the time, while also storing carbon in the wood material for longer periods of time. To sum up, just like any other building material, wood has its advantages and disadvantages. Knowing how it works, its possibilities and potential pitfalls, investors and professionals alike can plan and predict the performance of timber constructions and design them in a way to last and look beautiful for many years to come.